if you're experiencing billing problems on Venmo, it's important to address them promptly to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to resolve any issues you may encounter. Step 1. Check your transaction history. Review your transaction history in the Venmo app to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges. This will help you understand the nature of the billing problem. Step 2. Verify payment methods. Ensure that your linked bank account or card is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, billing issues arise from outdated payment methods or insufficient balance. Step 3. Contact the merchant. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Use the Venmo Help Center. Visit the Venmo Help Center within the app or on their website. Search for relevant articles or FAQs that address your specific billing issue for guidance. Step 5. Reach out to Venmo support. If the problem persists, contact Venmo's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the issue, including transaction ID, amounts, and any relevant screenshots. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on Venmo. If you continue to face challenges, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Venmo's support team.